Once upon a time, in a peaceful village nestled amidst rolling hills, there lived a young and talented dancer named Mai. Mai possessed a remarkable gift for graceful movements, and her performances were nothing short of enchanting. With each twirl and leap, she seemed to embody the very essence of beauty and grace. But despite her talent, Mai felt a certain restlessness within her. She yearned for something more, something that would elevate her dance to a higher level. One day, she heard whispers of a wise Zen master who resided atop a nearby mountain. It was said that this master held the secret to finding harmony between stillness and movement. Driven by her curiosity and desire for growth, Mai embarked on a journey to seek out the Zen master. She climbed the steep and winding path, her anticipation growing with each step. Finally, she reached the mountaintop and stood before the Zen master, a serene and wise figure. "Master," Mai spoke, her voice filled with earnestness, "I seek your guidance. How can I find harmony between stillness and movement in my dance?" The Zen master looked at her with kind eyes and said, "Dear Mai, observe the nature that surrounds us. See how the trees sway gently in the breeze, finding stillness within their motion. Just as they remain rooted in the earth, you must find your own center, your inner stillness, even as you dance." Mai listened intently, taking the master's words to heart. She returned to her village and began to practice with renewed focus. With each dance, she sought to find that elusive balance between stillness and movement. She discovered that it wasn't about restraining her movements or forcing herself to be still, but rather cultivating a deep awareness within herself. As months passed, Mai's dance transformed. She moved with a newfound grace and fluidity, her movements infused with a sense of inner calm. People from far and wide came to witness her performances, mesmerized by the harmony she exuded. One day, a young girl approached Mai after a particularly breathtaking performance. "How do you dance so beautifully?" the girl asked, eyes wide with wonder. Mai smiled and replied, "My dear, it is the harmony of stillness and movement that brings forth the true magic. When I dance, I embrace the present moment and find peace within, just as a gentle stream flows unhindered in its course." From that day forward, Mai continued to share her wisdom and inspire others through her dance. She taught them that stillness and movement were not opposing forces, but rather complementary aspects that could coexist harmoniously. And so, Mai's story spread far and wide, touching the hearts of many. Her dance became a symbol of the Zen harmony between stillness and movement, reminding all who witnessed it that even in the midst of motion, there is always a space for inner stillness.